Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you how to use cinnamon for its many health benefits. Cinnamon is one of the most popular and recognized spices in the world. Cinnamon bark has been used for flavoring both sweet and savory dishes for thousands of years. The most impressive health benefits of cinnamon include its ability to help manage diabetes, protect against fungal and bacterial infections, increase brain function, prevent certain cognitive disorders, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. For a tasty treat, try drinking apple cinnamon water. It may help boost your metabolism and could even potentially help with recovery from some infections. More importantly though, it tastes awesome. Apple cinnamon water is great for helping you slim down and ridding your body of harmful toxins. In a study at Copenhagen University, patients given a teaspoon of cinnamon powder combined with 1 tablespoon of honey every morning before breakfast had significant relief in arthritis pain after 1 week and could walk without pain within 1 month. In addition, you can make a paste from cinnamon that can be applied topically to reduce the pain. Mix 1 part honey to 2 parts lukewarm water and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Make a paste and massage it onto the irritated part of the body. The pain should recede within a few minutes. Cinnamon has been used for centuries as an all-natural stomach soother. Simply boil the equivalent of around a tablespoon of cinnamon bark in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink as a tea. Try a small amount first to make sure it doesn't make you feel worse. People with mouth ulcers should probably consider avoiding this one. To get relief from a cold or flu, take up to a half a teaspoon in a cup of tea with lemon juice and honey, or add it to elderberry syrup. Cinnamon's warming ability can help fevers break and also prevent the onset of chills or pneumonia in cases of bronchitis. Many sufferers of athlete's foot believe that cinnamon can help alleviate foot fungi. Try soaking your infected feet in cinnamon tea for roughly 5 minutes every night. If it doesn't work, you might need to get something stronger from your doctor. Discontinue if the treatment causes pain or discomfort. Cinnamon can also help with acne and pimples. Mix 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this paste on the pimples before sleeping and wash it the next morning with warm water. If this is performed daily for 2 weeks, it can help remove pimples. Wake up with a refreshing cinnamon face wash. Just mix around 20 drops of cinnamon oil with a tablespoon of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of either honey or aloe vera. You might also want to add a tablespoon of almond oil or similar for consistency. Apply for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. If possible, it is recommended to use Ceylon cinnamon, since this is the true cinnamon. Pregnant women should not use large amounts. Under half a teaspoon daily is fine, or the essential oil, as it can cause contractions. As always, check with a doctor or medical professional before using this or any other herb medicinally. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.